Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com, where we provide cloud computing services that allow your employees to work from anywhere and still be under one virtual roof. We do this by hosting over 300 software applications and their associated data. All of those applications and data can be accessed and used from any of the devices you see on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281. Okay, in today's video, we're going to show our customers how they can copy files from their local machine up to the virtual desktop and onto the various drives that we provide for them on our servers. So right now I'm on my local machine and I am sitting in Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to go now to the virtual desktop, which is in Bellingham, Washington. So here's the virtual desktop, and this happens to be my desktop. We've got a lot of icons over here. Most of our users won't have quite this many icons. But all you need to do is find your My Computer icon. It's either on your screen, or you can go to your Start button and go to Computer here. And if I do that, you're going to notice that we have multiple drives. If you look over here on the screen, these are all drives on the server, H, K, and S. Okay, and you can see them over here on the left-hand side as well, where my mouse is right now, H, K, and S. Your H drive is your personal private drive. Only you can see what's on the H drive. Your K drive is your company's shared drive, and anyone in your company can see the contents of the K drive, and we can set up permissions on various folders in the K drive so that only certain users can see certain files. And then the S drive is where we actually keep the ACT database files. ACT requires a kind of a special environment, and so we have special servers for ACT, and that's where those files are. Now down below are the drives on my local machine. My local machine name happens to be Virtual Roof Headquarters, or HQ. It's going to be whatever your local machine is named, if you gave it a name when you first got it, or if, you know, whatever the default name was on the machine when you got it. So some of them, you know, I've seen them named Compact or My Compact or Compact Desktop, whatever. Mine happens to be, I named mine when I got it, and it's Virtual Roof HQ. So this is a C drive on my local machine. If I open that C drive up, you'll see all the folders on my local machine, and so I'm able to actually copy files from the local machine up to the server. And if I go to my users folder, you can go there and you'll see additional folders. There's my username, and so now I'm looking at information on my local machine. Again, I can go to my desktop or my documents folder from here. And again, you're asking a machine in Bellingham to actually show you the files that are on your local machine. So this machine in Bellingham is actually accessing information across the internet on your local machine. And so that's why it takes it a little bit sometimes for it to fill all this information in. And the more data you have and the more folders you have, it takes a little bit longer. I would suggest actually moving things to the local drive, the root of the local drive, as opposed to burying it in your My Documents folder, but that's fine too. I just wanted to show you this. So if I wanted to copy this Word document, for instance, to the K drive up on the server, all I've got to do is click on this file and drag it to the K drive. Now if I want a specific folder on the K drive, I need to expand that and then drag and drop it to a particular folder on the K drive. So that's all I'm going to do now. I could drag it up here, drop it on K, or I could drop it in any of these other folders I want to drop it in. Okay, and I'm just going to drop it in the ACT folder just for now, just to do that. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And now all I've got to do is go to this ACT folder, click on that, and there you see the file. So that's all there is to it. So if you want a QuickBooks folder, for example, or QuickBooks data file, just create a QuickBooks folder on your K drive. And you notice here we've got a QB 2007. That's the name of the folder. I'm actually using QB 2013. But you can see I have a QB folder here. So again, you can create whatever folders you want on the key drive and drop files in there that way. Well, that's it, and I hope this was informative, and if you have any questions, you can give us a call. Thanks again for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.